Let me show you what stock trading is really like.
Ashton Noland has 53,000 followers on TikTok, posting daily videos about investing. He started out day trading, or buying and selling stocks on the same day and trying to make a profit, but he found it extremely difficult. He now takes a more conservative approach, trying to emulate successful Wall Street funds, but says he's seeing a lot of less responsible advice popping up on Stock Talk.
All they care about is how can I monetize this following in some direction. Completely okay to monetize a skill or service or a product. Nothing wrong with that. But doing so on the backs of other people, knowing or expecting those other people to fail and not even caring, I consider that to be a problem.
With online platforms like Robinhood and TradeStation opening up trading to a wider audience, buying stocks is now just a swipe or a click away. But there are concerns that young, inexperienced investors can get themselves in too deep. Last year, a 20-year-old college student in the US committed suicide after logging into his Robinhood account and mistakenly believing he was hundreds of thousands of dollars in the red. The company's founders pledged major reforms in the wake of the incident, including tightening up eligibility criteria. While Stock Talk is helping young people to educate themselves about money, financial advisors also fear social media buzz around investing is creating a gold rush.
Investing should be pretty boring. Okay, if you want to succeed over the long term when it comes to investing, you should be disciplined. You should stay in the market. It's not about timing the markets, right? It's about how long you're in the market. In fact, the younger generation, younger people have the most valuable commodity of all, which is time.
Last year saw more individual investors open accounts than ever before, and there are fears the trend could be creating a bigger problem. With US stocks hitting record highs despite economic havoc from the coronavirus pandemic, some analysts see market conditions similar to the dot-com bubble of the late 90s developing, a bubble that eventually burst. Giles, Gibson for CGTN in Washington.